You searched how to buy shares of ALDUX SA. ALDUX SA is listed on Euronext under the ticker ALDUX.PA, and this video explains the practical steps to buy its stock. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and to add funds before you can place an order. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker ALDUX.PA to find the ADUX SA listing. Select the result that explicitly shows ADUX SA on the Euronext exchange to ensure it is the correct asset. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for ALDUX.PA to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and the Euronext exchange symbol to make sure you are on the right page. To invest, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order might be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and set alerts if needed. A soft link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.